Namaste. Basic concepts and formula PUC or 11th and 12th content. So article number 6, calculus, subarticle differentiation. In differentiation, rules of differentiation. So first rule, function of a function rule or chain rule is over. Next, the second rule is product rule. So derivative of uv with respect to x equal to u into derivative of v with respect to x plus v into derivative of u with respect to x. So uv differentiation uv ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Rule 3, quotient rule. So derivative of u divided by v with respect to x is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square or u by v dash ಅಂದರೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅಂತ. So denominator v into differentiation of the numerator u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. Some illustrations. First example, y equal to e power of x into log x. So ಇದು one first function, this is the second function uv. Product rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So derivative of y with respect to x equal to first function into differentiation of the second function. So derivative of log x is 1 by x plus second function as it is derivative of first function e power of x ಗೆ derivative ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ e power of x. So here e power of x is common, take it outside. 1 by x plus log x. So is the answer. E power of x 1 by x plus log x. Correct ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. Next, second example. Y equal to square root of sin x into tan of log x. So derivative of y with respect to x equal to first function as it is square root of sin x into derivative of second function. So tan of log x ಗೆ derivative ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ secant square of log x. Again log x ಗೆ derivative ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 by x. Next plus second function tan of log x into derivative of square root of sin x is 1 divided by 2 into square root of sin x. Again sin x ಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x. So equal to square root of sin x into secant square of log x divided by x plus cos x into tan of log x divided by 2 into square root of sin x. See the answer. Square root of sin x into secant square of log x divided by x plus tan of log x 1 divided by 2 square root of sin x cos x. Okay. So this is the answer. ಇದು answer. Okay. Next, third example. Y equal to log x divided by x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ quotient rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dy by dx equal to x into derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x into derivative of x is 1 divided by x square. So x cancel, equal to 1 minus log x into 1 is log x divided by x square is the answer. So see, 1 minus log x divided by x square. Okay, third example. So 1 minus log x by x square. Okay, third example. Next, fourth example. Y equal, fourth one, y equal to 1 plus sine of 3x divided by 1 minus sine of 3x. So use a quotient rule. Derivative y with respect to x equal to denominator as it is 1 minus sine 3x into differentiation of the numerator is derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of sine 3x is, so first overall derivative ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. again 3x ಗೆ derivative ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 3 cos 3x. Next minus numerator as it is 1 plus sine 3x into derivative of the denominator. So derivative of 1 is 0 minus, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So derivative of sine 3x is 3 cos 3x. 3 cos 3x. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ 3x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಗೇನ್ 3x ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದು ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 cos 3x ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 3x ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 cos 3x into 1 plus sin 3x divided by 1 minus sin 3x whole square equal to 3 cos x into 1 is 3 cos x, 3 cos 3x minus 3 cos 3x sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x into 1 is 3 cos 3x plus 3 cos 3x into sin 3x is 3 cos 3x sin 3x whole divided by 1 minus sin 3x whole square. So here negative and here positive get cancelled. So then derivative of 1 plus sin 3x divided by 1 minus sin 3x equal to 3 cos 3x plus 3 cos 3x is 6. 6 cos 3x divided by 1 minus sin 3x whole square. So this is the answer. So see here, fourth the. So ಹೀಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್.